How to make your iPhone flash when someone calls you. So this is a really good way to make sure you don't miss call notifications on your phone, and your phone's going to flash when you receive a call or a text message. Now, in order to use this feature, you first need to load up the settings on your phone, and then scroll down the page and click on Accessibility. You can then scroll down to Audio and Visual, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Flash for Alerts, and you need to make sure Flash for Alerts is turned on. You can then select the notification type, so you can either have just the regular LED flash, you can also have your screen flash, or you can turn on both of these notifications. You can also decide to flash when the phone is unlocked, and also if you want to enable the flash in silent mode as well. Now, once you've applied all of these settings, the next time you receive a text message or a phone call, your phone will then flash notifying you of that notification.